Good evening and welcome to the session number 44 on the playlist of NEET Physics. The question which I have taken for this session was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test in the year 2000, and this question is from the chapter of work, power and energy. So here a mass is performing a vertical circular motion as shown in this figure. If the average velocity is continuously increased, then at which point the string will break? So there are 4 points here. This is the topmost point, this is the bottommost point, and these 2 points are lying horizontally. So now we all know that the tension in the string will be maximum at the bottommost point, because at the bottommost point the weight will be acting vertically downward, and at the same time the centrifugal force, which is equal to mv square by r, will also be acting vertically downward. So the tension at the bottommost point, which I am denoting here as TB, this is equal to mg plus mv square by r. So since the tension, it will be maximum at the bottommost point, that is at the point B, so the probability of the string breaking will be at this point B. So the correct option here will be B. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same chapter of work, power and energy, which has been asked in the NEET exam. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.